Hi there, Rob Parker here from Peach Software. Just wanted to run through the customer receipting screen. So you can get to it from the sidebar here under the transaction menu. Here it is here, customer receipts, or you can go into the transaction task menu and it's in here as well. So under customer receipts, there it is there. Anyhow, let's go back there, make it easy, customer receipt. And all you need to do first of all is load the customer. I'll put in my customer and I'll put in the amount that they're paying. So let's put in $600. Now, if you wanted to give them a discount on the amount outstanding, this is where you'd do it. So if you wanted to actually apply $650 and they're only paying $600, you'd put $50 into here and that'll create a journal for you. So all you need to do now is you've got your amount in and you start applying. So this is the unapplied column and this is how much has been paid on each of these invoices, the invoice values. So all I need to do is go down and tick and you'll see the amount outstanding there is reducing according to what I'm paying. So I'll just tick that last one. You can see there that $25.10 has been over applied. So if you like, I can actually make this $174.90 and that would bring it to zero, so that actually balances now, and then I can simply process that by pushing the F10 button and that will process those receipts. If I wanted to, I could actually move the receipts around, so you can actually come into this screen and you can say, I want to take $200 back off that invoice because I've paid it off incorrectly, and I'll put some of it onto there, and I've got $7.65. So I'll use that, let's say here, so I can type in the amount manually as well if I like. So it's a very flexible screen. And then I can just update the transaction. So let's just do that quickly. Update. And you can send a remittance advice, a receipt. But I won't send anything and I won't update, I won't print. I will update, I won't print, sorry. And then that's done. So that's how easy it is, but I'll show you a few other interesting features. If you can't find, if you don't know who the customer is who've sent you some money, you can actually find the customer by way of the amount that they've sent you. So let's just go into the customer quickly, and we can see here there's a $221.16 outstanding. So if I just cancel that, and if I hit my find button and type in 221.16, that'll actually show me all the invoices that add up to 221.16, and then I can load that and it will load the customer and it will focus on the line of the invoice that I've been looking for. So that's one nice way you can actually find customers. Now, if you're looking for a customer and you're not sure who it is, but you know where they are, this one's in Bray Street, Lavender Bay 2000. So again, we'll just cancel this and we'll go find. And you can change the fields that you're looking for. By the way, you can find by invoice number and you can find by packing slip number as well. So another way to find who's paying you, you can go to search. And that'll bring up a list of all your customers, and you can search by any of these fields here: name, ID, phone, market code, and you can also change what sort of search you're doing. There's a drop down here and you can search by any of these factors of the customer as well. So it's a nice easy software to use as far as finding the customer you're looking for. You've got the drawer as well, so when a customer sends you a check and the drawer is not the customer's name, which we get often, you can put the drawer in here. That's actually recorded in customer control. So if I just load a couple of customers here, you can see the drawer is test customer 107, but the name of the customer is Alpha Bearings. So when I'm doing the receipting, I can look it up by Alpha Bearings or by test customer 107. So that's a little bit of information, and like I said, if you overpay an invoice, so if you paid an amount onto the incorrect invoice, then you just bring the customer back and you can tick unpaid only, and you can put the latest ones at the top. So you've switched everything around, and so you paid this $96.80 but you didn't mean to, so you can actually unapply that. So it's as simple as going minus $96.80. That puts it back into unpaid, and now you've got an amount $96.80 to pay. So I can put that against this one, I'll put it against here. I might take up that minus 25 as well, and you can still see I've got $46.90. So it's actually recalculating everything as you go. Still got $4.90 to pay, so we just pay $4.90 against that invoice, and you can see how easy that is just to balance everything up and process it and send an email if you like to the receipt. So there you have it. That's some pointers about receipting in Peach software.